Okay, so let's just go back up to, this is basically the notation that we're going to use with variants on this logic. And also we're going to delve into all the possibilities here using some of these examples. Okay, so going through that process carefully, what we can do is we can come up with some code. So there's nothing that's required here for this bit. That's just going to display all the time. To make this work, display this if only if logged in. We've got PHP if user is not logged in. Then we display this stuff, and then the closing PHP. Okay, then display if logged in at any level. Now we've got two options here. We can use this one if user is logged in, or if user can access S2 member level 0, which is the free subscriber level. Because of the hierarchy, that will mean if they're at any higher level, they will also be able to access level 0. So effectively this gives the same result as that in our installation. Okay, so you can choose this one or this one, and then we're going to use an S2 member constant here, current user first name, which is a function that we're going to use PHP to extract, and we're also going to use their access label, the name that we have given to that level. So that should be either free subscriber or member. Okay, so that should work, but we just need to choose if we're going to use this one or this one. We'll try both separately. Then next, for a free subscriber but not higher. Now you can see the distinction here. So free subscriber but not higher as opposed to free subscriber or higher. Okay, so this is slightly different. Instead of user can, user is S2 member level 0. And then we can display this and the link. Same for member. If they're at member level, then it would be user is S2 member level 1. So that's okay, understandable. Here is where we use custom capabilities for the first time. That's the code for that. So if the current user can access that special page custom capability, then give them the link to that. Else, if not, so they don't have that CCAP, then display this text. Okay, however, we have to be careful with the logic here because there's a problem. If a user is logged in and doesn't have this CCAP, then this text will appear, this upgrade your member account. But that could be a subscriber. A subscriber would see this, and that's not what we want. So what we need to do is combine these and nest them so that the this stuff is wrapped inside that stuff. Okay, so now what's going to happen is if the current user is level 1, it'll print that, and then there's further logic nested in it. This logic is terminated here, and as you can see, I've just indented this in so it's a bit more visible, and this logic runs inside that. So effectively it's an AND. If they're a member and if they can access that custom capability, then give the link. If they're a member and they don't have that custom capability, then display this content and an upgrade teaser. So that's an AND, not an OR logic. Okay, so let's try these bits of code here progressively in our page and see how they work.